So what's going on, guys? Robbie's not the only one that makes purchases. So spontaneous buy. It was a nice little beat up, somewhat clean Tahoe.
Somewhat.
But yeah, stay tuned to see what we're doing to it.
Alright, Rich, what's going on with the timing?
It's pretty advanced. It's supposed to be around 2 to 0. It's at about 22. So everything we've read, it's the crank timing sensor, and we're about to go on a parts run.
Oh, parts run. Crank
Parts
timing
runs.
sensor.
Woo! And then figure out what this blue wire is. That runs all over the car. I don't know what it is.
Blue wire goes everywhere. Don't know
Yeah,
where
it
it
runs to the starter for some reason.
I don't know where it goes.
But I've already undid all the wiring BS that they did to this truck. If you're going to do wiring, use heat shrink, use a soldering gun. Don't twist the wires on and put a piece of tape over it. That is the incorrect way of doing these.
You hear that, kids? Heat shrink, soldering. Don't backyard garage it. Don't
Like these
Just
fender
don't do
hacks?
it.
don't do what Robbie does.
Got some nice fender hacks going on too.
See the fender hacks that we did too? The tires were rubbing the back of the bumpers. Look at that. You couldn't even tell hardly. And if I want to get fancy, I could weld a piece of metal in if I have any more.
Alright, so here's the sensor that we're looking at.
Yep, but $80, $90 part right there. And yeah, this little guy throws off timing, your starter, all kinds of stuff. It's real sweet.
Okay, so we got another one that's nice and new.
Yeah, nice little drum there. Martin, what are we doing taking this tire off? Why are we looking
Well,
at the
we
drum?
got to replace the wheel studs.
Ah, wheel studs.
Yeah. Because somebody didn't put a little bit of anti-seize on them and they wrenched them on. And I did brakes on this yesterday, so she's all nice and pretty new.
Not a fan of drums.
Lug nut on, you can just drive them out like that one. Sometimes I don't want it to hit the brake pad or get jammed up. Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, so now we have the new lugs going in, and what we're going to do is we're going to take this nut and we're going to tighten it, and it's going to pull it through the hub here, and then it's going to be locked into place.
It's specific for pulling studs through. As many times as I change these, I ain't spending the money. I just put a cheap washer on it and do it the redneck way.
What you got there?
Just a little bit of brake lube. Keep from galling the nut itself. Lube is always good.
Stay lubed up, kids.
Stay lubed up, yeah. And just pay attention to the back when you're doing it. You don't want to stretch it. There it is. Now I don't know if you can see it on camera, but if you look at the back, that's how you want to make sure that the splines are shouldered. And that's how we do it.
Easy.
Alright. Brand new brakes, brand new drums, brand new wheel studs. Bam!
There it is.
That's 4 doors of fun right there. Got her 4 doors of ticket.
Well, she's running. We got that new O2 sensor in. We got the new timing sensor in. Burn like a kitten.
There it is. That solved it.
That sounds good.
That took care of the pop.
Cool. Job success, Martin.
Heck yeah. Boom. Blow it up.
Blow it up. I'll take it. What's going on? All right, suckers. Well, we got the chores we need to get done on old Big Red here. This is Rich's new Tahoe.
Yeah,
How you
new
feeling?
toy.
About it? New toy. How you?
Good.
Yeah.
It made a 5-hour drive, no issues. Basically now just working out the little kinks. Hopefully be daily driving after next weekend.
Ooh.
Not have to worry about scraping on curbs and everything else.
Facts.
Unlike that beast.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can go to the lake, I can go to the mountains, I can throw a deer in the back.
Did you
Good
say
ride.
deer or beer?
Both.
All right, that's going to do it for today's episodes, guys. Remember, new Robbie Sucks merch. It's out. Take a look at the hat. Take a look at the all-white hoodies. Yeah, man. Remember, it's okay to suck. Just don't give up. And we'll see you next time.